ma chaîne. Je m'appelle Roselyne Adams et je reste votre professeur de français. Je suis vraiment contente de vous avoir sur ma chaîne. S'il vous plaît, abonnez ma chaîne. Okay, welcome back everyone to my channel. This is Roselyne Adams, and of course I'm glad to have you all back. To my returning subscribers, thank you for staying connected. And if this is your first time on this channel, what are you waiting for? Ensure to click on that subscribe button and also on the notification bell to know when I post new videos. Okay, today we are going to be learning more about the names of animals, how to say the names of animals in French. La dernière semaine, on a commencé avec les noms des animaux domestiques en français et aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre comment nommer les animaux sauvages et les animaux de la ferme en français. Okay, today we are going to be learning how to call wild animals and some animals on the farm in French, how to call their names in French. Bon, on commence. We start the lesson. The first on the list is cow. The cow in French is called la vache. La vache. The giraffe in French is called la girafe. La giraffe. Sheep in French is called le mouton. Le mouton. Antelope in French, the antelope in French is called l'antilope. L'antilope, meaning the antelope. Snake in French is called le serpent. Le serpent. Donkey in French is called âne. L'âne means the donkey. So to say donkey in French, you simply say l'âne. The horse in French is called le cheval. Le cheval. The crocodile in French is called le crocodile. Le crocodile. How do you say bird in French? Oiseau is bird in French. And to say the bird, you say l'oiseau. L'oiseau. Talking about l'oiseau, talking about the bird, an example of a bird in French is l'aigle. L'aigle is the hawk, the big bird, the eagle, and you can also call it hawk in English. Hawk or eagle is called l'aigle in French. Fishes are called les poissons. Les poissons. Poisson means fish. Bon, another animal in French is the hippopotamus. The hippopotamus is called hippopotame. L'hippopotame in French. Lion in French is called le lion. Le lion. Tiger in French is called le tigre. Le tigre. Snail in French is called l'escargot. L'escargot. That is a snail, l'escargot. Okay. Fox in French is called le renard. Le renard. Le renard is the fox. Monkey in French is called le singe. Le singe. Bon, before we round up the lesson, I'm going to be asking you some questions concerning the lesson. How do you say tiger in French? Très bien. Tiger in French is called le tigre. Le tigre. How do you say lion? Le lion. Très bien. Lion in French is le lion. Okay. Please ensure to go over the lesson again to know how to say some of these wild and farm animals in French. And of course, this is where I'll be stopping the lesson today. I will be seeing you in my next video. And before I go, ensure to subscribe. Au revoir.